Good day everybody, this is Phard'z and this is my YouTube channel. You will visit my channel and like and subscribe and bell all.
I'm losing my self-control.
Now, let me introduce our topic for today. It's all about accounting. Why you're here on this vlog? Maybe you're accounting students from senior high school like ABM Strand or something other strand that you are taking of any accounting subjects, or from the accounting major in tertiary such as Bachelor of Science in Accountancy, Bachelor of Science in Management Accounting, or Bachelor of Science in Accounting Information Systems, or maybe Bachelors of Science in Internal Auditing. And you're taking this subject from basic accounting. So I hope that this video will be helpful for you. We try to discuss the accounting introduction into much more lesser topic where we can more and deeper perspective of things to this video. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to, number one, you should define the accounting and then differentiate bookkeeping and accounting, know the difference users if accounting informations, and differentiate financial accounting, cost accounting, and management accounting, which we considered as the three main branches of accounting. Some more of the other topics will be discussed in our next videos. We can start this slide. As you can see, we have here some different words that are related to accounting. So we can we have decision making, recording, service activity, economic entities, quantitative informations, classifying, reasons, choices, summarizing, and interpreting. I will give you a minute to relate these words into accounting so that we will have an idea before we define accounting. Now, what is accounting? Accounting is a service activity. Its function is to provide quantitative information, primarily financial in nature, about economic entities that is intended to be useful in making economic decisions and in making reasoned choices among alternative courses of actions. Yan po ang meaning ng accounting. Kung isipin po natin, parang ang bigat ng ibig sabihin ng kanyang definition. Pero, himay-himayin natin in every sentence of the definitions na makikita natin o mababasa natin sa kanyang meaning or sa kanyang definitions or ano bang ibig sabihin ng accounting. So, isa-isahin po natin. First, accounting is a service activity. Bakit sinasabi dito ang accounting daw ay isang service activity? Ibig sabihin, tayo ay katulad lang din ng mga doktor. Pag nagpa-consult tayo sa doktor, we will pay them a consultation fee. Okay, so nagbabayad po tayo ng consultation. Binabayaran po natin si doktor pag tayo po ay nagpapa-check up. Kahit mga simpleng bagay lang po na pinapa-check up natin sa katawan natin. So, kahit tayo po ay nagbabayad kay doktor. Okay din po. Then, if we need appearance service of a lawyer, so kung sa lawyer naman po tayo for some legal services, we need to pay a service to the lawyer. Okay? So, kung meron po tayong consult sa mga lawyer or sa mga abogado po, regarding sa kung anumang mga kaso ang ating ilalapit sa kanila, tayo din po ay magbabayad ng service fee. Okay? So, depende din po sa lawyer kung magkano yung professional fee na sinisingil din po nila. Then, the same way to accountant, render services as accountants. So, kahit papano, we receive a fee for that services. Okay? Kasi mayroon pong mga iba na naghahanap po ng bookkeeping, nagpa-process po sa mga BIR, sa taxes. So, lahat po yun ay nagbibigay po sila din ng bayad po para sa atin. Or tayo po mismo, accountant, ang gumagawa ng bookkeeping or yung mga financial statements po na kailangan din po ng company. So, that's why it says the accounting is a service activity. Okay? So, kaya po sinasabi dyan na service activity po. We render service to our clients and their clients has to pay from that service. Okay? So, kung ano po yung nagawa natin, yun po yung service na pinaprovide natin. Pero bawal tayo mag-advertise. Bawal tayo mag-post ng mga commercial or mag-presenta sa labas ng bahay. Maglagay po tayo ng mga hiring, ganyan. Okay, so binabawal po yan. More details po niyan about sa advertise ay nasa higher accounting subjects po natin. Nasa mga business ethics. Ayan, dun po pinag-aaralan. Siguro mga nasa third year na po tayo ng accounting. So for now, bawal tayo mag-advertise. In the future, you will understand naman kung bakit. Next we have here is its function is to provide quantitative information. When we say quantitative, syempre it is something about dami or mga nabibilang. So let's sabihin nating numbers. Okay? We are not just talking about numbers lang din in accounting. Sabi dito, primarily financial in nature. We are actually talking about money. Okay, so money may numbers, diba? So, how much are the things in the business? Sabi ulit dito, quantitative informations that are financial in nature tungkol saan? About economic entities? Or, we are dealing with business, but do not limit yourself na business lang talaga. Kasi pwede po tayong magpunta po sa government, sa mga non-profit organizations, o lahat na nakikita ninyong entities outside ay kailangan ng accounting. Kasi meron tayong financial informations that we need to summarize and we need to convey to others so that the owner or the people inside and outside the company can understand the operations of the entity. Sabi natin, accounting is a service activity and not ideal with quantitative information, which is financial in nature about economic entities. Para saan? It is intended to be useful in making economic decisions. The results of the entities will tell you. Or, the results of the company's operations will tell you. If they are loss or gain, lugi ba sila or kumita ba sila? So because of the accounting records of the financial reports that can be generated in accounting, halimbawa, nakagawa ang company owner ng decisions, either kumita or nalugi. So kung kumita si owner this period, shall the owners threaten to continue to become profitable? Or, and if nalugi, what are the things that the owner should improve so that it will be profitable in the next period? Because of accounting, you're able to make economic decisions. You can be able to make good decisions. Finally, making reasoned choices among alternative courses of action because accounting helps you to make economic decisions. You can also choose a lot of alternative courses of actions that will be best for the entity. So accounting is a service activity which can provide you financial information that company owners and the people inside and outside of the company can make economic decisions and reason choosing among alternative course of actions. Let's now differentiate accounting and bookkeeping. Sometimes these two words are interchanged, but actually there is a big difference between bookkeeping and accounting. Accounting is the analysis and interpretations of financial information, conduct of audits and preparations of financial statements. Bookkeeping is the routine recording of economic activities and it is a mechanical process. Parang ganito po siya. Bookkeeping is the recording process. Recording process of accounting. Once you are already done with the recording process, you can now enter into the accounting process. You can analyze and interpret financial informations and you can already prepare financial reports that can be used by the owner of the company to make economic decisions. So, in the whole accounting process, we have the recording process, and in that recording process, that is what we call bookkeeping. So always remember, bookkeeping is just a step in accounting. Accounting is the whole process in itself. But bookkeeping is just a part of the accounting process when we will be talking about journalizing, posting, and trial balance. You'll understand what bookkeeping really means. We have the following users of accounting informations. Sabi natin, accounting information can be used by people inside and outside of the entity. Pero, para saan financial information can help them to make decisions? Or sino kaya ang mga yon? We can divide them into two. We have internal users of accounting informations and we also have external users of accounting informations. Okay, so dalawa po. Internal users of accounting information include owners and managers. Let's say for example, this month we earned 100,000 pesos, sabi sa accounting records. Then sabi naman sa financial reports, kumita tayo ng 100,000 pesos. Doon sa nabanggit ko kanina as owner or someone or who you are in the management positions. Okay, so either owner or the management. You are a manager, you are to decide for the company. Okay, kung ikaw din yung may-ari, ikaw din yung mag-decide. Okay, kumita tayo ng 100,000 pesos during this period. Ano ang gagawin natin? Gawin natin ang ating pinaka-best para ma-sustain natin ang profit. Ano-ano ba ang dapat nating gawin para mag-stay, para maging profitable pa din siya in the future or like in the halimbawa, like in the coming weeks or in the coming months or years, 'di ba? To sustain ng tuloy-tuloy pa rin tayong kumikita, hindi tayo malulugi. Pero if ever naman na we got a loss, what are the things that we should improve? Okay, ano yung mga dapat nating babaguhin pa, ganon. Owners and managers are internal users of accounting informations because it's like the sense owners and managers and their people inside the company. So they are the decisions makers who are very much related to the operations of the entity. And thus they need accounting information for them to able to decide for the best of the entity. On the other hand, we have external users of accounting informations. We have prospective owners, creditors, government, employees, customers, and general public. These people are the people outside the company. But take note, we have your employee. We'll be dealing with mamaya, bakit employees considered outside as an external users of accounting information? Prospective owners, they want to invest in that company. They should look into financial performance of the company. If that company is doing good, so accounting information is used by prospective owners so that they will know if that company is good to invest on creditors. Mga nagpapautang na hindi naman natin maiiwasan. The companies may enter into credit transactions. Kailangan nilang umutang for funds. Ngayon, creditors should look into the financial reports of the entity para makita nila yung capability nung company na makabayad or mabayaran sila dun sa inutang, or pwede rin nilang isipin dyan na can this company be able to pay me in the future? So those financial reports that are being provided by accounting can be very helpful for creditors. Then, how about the government? The government, we actually report to the government as a part of our compliance. Number one, that the government agencies that we report to is the Bureau of Internal Revenue. Well, we all pay taxes, and one of the information that is included in our financial reports is the income that we earned and how much are the taxes we should pay. Next is the customers. Even customers are very much curious about the stability of the company that they are transacting with. Lastly, the general public. Well, actually, financial reports are available for everyone to see. Punta lang kayo sa Securities and Exchange Commissions if you have or if you want some examples of financial reports, financial statements that would be possible. Why are employees considered as an external users of accounting information? Why not is an internal users? Well, we don't need to put in very lightweight or we'll take it literally that employees are working inside office and as these should be internal users of accounting information. These employees are actually curious also about the stability of the company they are working with, and because they are curious about the stability of the company, they also need accounting information. Now, what employees I am referring here? Into those employees which are in the lower round, which are not owners and which are not managers inside the company. That's why they are considered external users of accounting information. We go now to our Venn diagram. Let's discuss the different branches of accounting. And this is our last part for this video. We have the three main branches of accounting. This is a Venn diagram that will describe the three main branches. We have financial accounting on the left side, which is reporting meant for the external users of accounting information. We also have management accounting here on the right side, which is reporting that is meant for the external users of accounting information. The overlap between financial accounting and management accounting is cost accounting, which is meant for the use of both. Okay, so parehas po sila, external users of accounting information and internal users of accounting information. We have two kinds of users in accounting information. We have internal users and the external users. Now, the external users of accounting information, they use financial accounting information. This is more historical kasi nangyayari na yung transaction at saka pa lang natin i-record. Pagkatapos natin ma-record, let's summarize our transactions na nangyari na doon sa company. And then, saka pa lang lalabas ang financial report. Once natapos na at inilabas na ang financial report, since pa lang siya masasabing magiging available to the external users of accounting information. And sa management accounting naman ay iba. Management accounting can deal with the past, can deal with the present. Also, management accounting can deal with the future. This is very helpful to decisions making and thus it means for internal users of accounting information. Parang ganito po siya. For example, on sales down a company 5,000 pesos na total. Okay? And management accounting owners and managers will be very curious. Ano ba ang composition ng 5,000 na yan? It can be breakdown into the departments of the entity. Department A contribute to 1,000 in that sales. Department B contribute 2,000 in that sales. Yung ganong kadetalya ay hindi natin pwedeng ilabas. Dahil kung tutusin, it's a company secret. I mean, di naman siya totally company secrets. Kundi the deals of the sales per department will not really be available to external users of accounting information. Well, just going back to the management, accounting is more helping owners and management to decide more details. And it is does not also only deal with the past like what financial accounting is, it also deals with the present and even the future. Dito forecast, dito budget, for budgeted financial statements, budgeted financial reports that will guide them in their futures operations. But why do we have an overlap? Why do we have cost accounting and as the overlap in the Venn diagram? Cost accounting is actually meant for the use of both external users and internal users of accounting information. But what actually cost accounting is? Cost is sacrifice. Nasa magkano ba dapat? Magkano ba yung nilalabas mong pera para makabili sa mga dapat mong ibenta? Kunyari, simple na lang natin. Ikaw ay may malit na tindahan. Siyempre, bago ka makapagbenta sa tindahan mo, ay kailangan mong munang bumili ng mga paninda or mga ibebenta mo. Ngayon, pumunta ka sa Pure Gold kay Alimpuring. Bago mo ibenta, papatungan mo ang presyo ng mga nabili mo. Yung una mong ginastos para makabenta ka, yun ang tinatawag na sacrifice. Yun ang naging cost mo doon. Separate subject to actually in accounting, costing and pricing accounting sa higher levels na po. Okay? So ngayon, bakit ang sabi is meant for the use of both internal and external users? Siyempre, yung ginastos mo is to be able for you to buy the things that you will be selling. It's being reported in financial accounting and it's also being reported in management accounting. That's why there is an overlap between the two because both financial accounting and management accounting are need costs for the accounting information. That's all for today, and I hope that you were able to understand our lessons for today. Please like, share, and subscribe. This is Phard'z. Thank you.